Chile Verde tacos de Picadillo. We take a little sheet tray. I usually line it with a piece of foil just for easy cleanup. And you put 2 small or 1 large onion cut into wedges on here, a few tomatillos, and some garlic loosened from their jackets. Just crack the jacket. And then once it's all charred up, you rest the peppers. I chose 2 large poblano peppers. Rest them in a bowl. Cover the bowl so that the skins loosen up away from the flesh. I keep 1 pepper on the side because I want some texture in the taco filling. So I'm going to just coarsely chop that or put it into thin strips and add it. If I was just making the salsa, I would add both peppers to the salsa itself. We're going to throw in our tomatillos, our onions, our garlic, and then I put in a handful of flat leaf parsley and cilantro. I'm going to add a splash of really good sherry vinegar, or you can go classic and just do the juice of 1 lime. I'm going to add a little sprinkle of cumin. And a little salt and pepper over the shoulder for luck. A little pepper. What the heck? And oh, this is going to be fun. This is their food processor, and I often don't remember how to turn it on. Oh, yay! Woo! So that's done now, and we're going to just add it to that. And we got to get the potatoes going first in the pan. So what we're going to do is take a large russet potato, run your knife through it, dice it, and you're kind of making hash browns here, basically. Throw our little potato cubes in there and let them start to get crispy and crunchy at the edges, and then we're going to add the meat. Now, you can use ground turkey or all ground beef. I'm choosing a combo of beef and pork. Let's get this in the pan. Large nonstick skillet. You want room to be able to brown and crumble the meat once the potatoes get going. I'm throwing in the coarsely chopped peppers as well. And I just started to season the combination of ground pork and ground beef that I added to our brown potatoes. I just added 1/3 of a palmful of smoky cumin, and now I'm adding mild ancho chili powder, about 1/2 a palm, and about the same of pimenton or smoked sweet paprika. Boop. Give that a little stir. And then we're going to take our star, our salsa verde, and add that to our meat and potato mixture. Oh, that smells good. Now, for the crunchy topping, you can use red cabbage or green cabbage, or I like flat kale. Run our knife through it nice and thin. Boop. And then hit it with some lime juice. A little salt and pepper on our greens so they start to break down for us. And then the toppings for this, you can either line the taco shells with shredded jack or pepper jack or cheddar or a combo and let it melt into the taco, which is, it's actually a really nice method because it helps keep the moisture in the taco so it doesn't sog out on the bottom. But today I wanted to go with, my favorite on these is just crumbled queso fresco or asadero cheese, and a little squish of crema or sour cream that I mix up with lime and cumin, and pickled jalapeno peppers. You can do mild or hot. And I'm just filling our tacos. See, I got them nice and toasty and lightly golden brown. It really enriches their flavor. Love on these tacos to use queso fresco or asadero, so I'm gonna put a lot of crumbled cheese on top of mine. I know, it's good. And then we're gonna take a little bit of our shredded, crunchy cabbage and or kale. And then some of our pickled jalapeno peppers. There you go.